What's going on, guys? Our weather here is starting to get pretty cold, so we've been craving some beef mami. So come join me make it. So there's a few spices that we're gonna be using for our broth. We're gonna be using garlic, cardamom, a stick of cinnamon, some star anise, some red onions, ginger, and scallions. All right, so let's go ahead and roast these spices on the stove. By doing this extra step, this will help release the essential oils from all these spices, and it will help elevate the taste of the broth. Alright, so now that we have roasted all our spices here, now let's put them in these mesh bags. We're going to be using two different kinds of meat. We're going to be using beef shanks along with some beef chucks, and we'll also be using some beef bones for an extra added flavor. So let's go ahead and sear our meat. So now that we have finished searing our meat, we can now add some water and start boiling our meat here. Alright, now that we have added our water in our pot here, we can now also add our spices, our aromatics that we have put in our mesh bags here. You can directly put the spices in the pot, but if you have mesh bags, it's easier for later to just take these out so we can have a cleaner broth. So let's put our lid on, and this is going to be boiling for the next couple hours. So this is a big batch of beef mami that I'm making today. So let's go ahead and mix a few ingredients here so we can build the flavor of our mami broth. Let's start with a cup of soy sauce, a half a cup of oyster sauce, some black pepper, and about 3 tablespoons of brown sugar. Mix this up a little bit and we can add it to our pot. So that was soy sauce, oyster sauce, a little bit of brown sugar, and some ground black pepper. And we will also be adding some fish sauce for that added umami flavor. Alright, so let's go ahead and put our lid on. We'll let this simmer for about 2 hours or so, or until our meat is tender. Since I'm doing too many things here, I almost forgot about our beef bones. So this has only been boiling for about 10-15 minutes. It's still pretty early in the process, so I can still add these. So when you guys make your beef mami, don't forget your beef bones, okay? Alright, let's check on our soup here and skim off all the impurities. So as we wait for our meat to get tender, it's now been boiling for about an hour. Let's go ahead and prep our bok choy, our lemon, and some scallions. Alright guys, finally we have finished cooking everything. So now let's go ahead and assemble our beef mami. So this is actually an overloaded beef mami. We have the beef, of course. We have some hard-boiled eggs and some shrimp siomai, along with some fried garlic, scallions, lemon, and our bok choy. So let's go ahead and put it together. How about some beef mami overload?
Oof. Yeah, that is an overload because that's typically not what you get when you buy mami of a carinderia or those stalls, food stalls or street food. But yeah, this is a really rich and hearty beef mami. So thank you for
Yes.
making dinner.
You're welcome. Been working hard for the last few hours, so let's go ahead and give it a try.
Yes, hearty.
Do the honor, babe.
Soup first. Oops. Sorry. One more.
What do we need to adjust?
Nothing.
Really?
Yeah. I think it's time to dig in for the noodles.
Okay.
Yeah.
You want some of the chili garlic oil?
I know. I want to try it as is first.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, I'll get some.
But this is good.
I'll get some of this on the side for me. If you want it, you can have it.
Ooh. All right. Dig in. Like really, literally dig in because everything. The noodles.
Ooh, a little more scallions.
All right. I love egg noodles. So this is perfect for weather like this now that it's getting cold. And this really just makes everything cozy, right? And filling. And let's see. First bite. A little bit of these.
Let me try the soup.
Yeah, sorry.
The
I was
soup
excited.
The soup is okay?
Yeah. Tasty.
Oh, wow.
Mm-hmm.
Wow, really good.
Actually, let me get some of that chili. All right, get your first bite.
All right,
Okay.
cheers.
Cheers.
The perfect bite.
Mouthful bite.
Oh, wow. You like it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, good.
Very good.
Wow.
Oh my gosh.
So good.
This is so good. This is so comforting. It's definitely, comfort food when it's during the rainy days or fall, winter. So perfect. Perfect food.
So where we live in Maryland now, where we live, the temperature is now hitting 30s.
I love the egg noodles. They're so good. And they're perfect. Still al dente. Oopsie, sorry. Yeah. Can I get this part right here?
Yeah,
Bone
go ahead.
marrow. And I have the honor. Well, actually, I'll just get half.
Go ahead. There's more in the pot. All right, guys. One more bite for you guys. The perfect bite.
That's rich. That bone marrow. Ooh.
Good?
Oh my gosh.
All right, guys. We'll catch you again hopefully on the next time, okay? You guys take care now.
All right. Bye. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you.
Take care now. Bye-bye.
Bye.